Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the something went wrong error in Amazon Shopping app. Something went wrong message is one of the most common Amazon errors in 2026, and it usually appears during checkout, browsing, or account changes. So let's fix it properly. As you can see, it says here, oops, there's no internet. Please check your internet connection. This might be the error your account ran. Now to fix this issue, the first thing you want to do, now before we start, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to install the Amazon Shopping app. You're just going to go to the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using, and you're going to look for the Amazon Shopping app, and you can download this and install it from there. Once you access it, you're going to click on it, and after that, the steps you're going to follow are these ones. The first thing you want to do is to restart the Amazon app. You're going to close the Amazon app from the recent app tab, and you're going to relaunch it again. Now I deactivated my internet connection, so you can see the error. You can also, now temporary glitches often resolve immediately after relaunching the app. So you're going to relaunch the app, click on try again, and you're going to see it works. You can also update the app by going to the Play Store or App Store, just like this. And you're going to access the Amazon Shopping app. And in the apps page, you're going to look for an option to update the app. You're going to click on it to update the app, and then you're going to relaunch the app again. So always make sure your Amazon Shopping app is updated to the latest version. Third thing you want to do is to disable VPNs or ad blockers. Now VPNs and security tools can interfere with Amazon connections. So you can also try another device. You can log in from a different phone or browser to confirm if the issue is device related. And try to switch between networks. Sometimes it's just a network issue, so you can drop down this bar right here and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and choose the network that is more stable and faster. And that's it. The something went wrong error usually means a temporary technical issue. Once refreshed, updated, Amazon works normally again. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.